What up, Shiny Hunters? Welcome back to the Shiny Room. Today, we're gonna open up a Marty box. Got a case of these. Opened 3 on a live on Saturday. Go check that out. Alright, let's light this room up. I'm excited for this. I've seen the playmat. And the playmat, to me, it looked pretty badass. So, look at that. That is sexy as hell right there. Let's set that to the side real quick. Get the promos out. Oh, sorry about the itch. Grimmsnarl B promo. Morpeko B promo. We got some pins. Alright, I actually like the Morpeko pin. Pretty badass right there. But okay. Got 1, 2, 3, 4. Guys right there. Let's see if I can get it better there. There we go. And got the 8, so got 8 packs. Alright, here goes the first pack. Let's see what we can get. Got that code card for you. There we go. Got 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, we got a Nugget, Trubbish, Hannon, Rockruff, Potion, Psychic Energy, Kaboo, Trash, 10, Suspicious 10, Reverse Hollow Nugget, and a Solo Beam. Not bad for our first hit. Alright, pack number 2. See what we can get. There we go, code card. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Got a Sizzlipede, Purloin, Scraggy, Pokeball, a Nickit, Fire Energy, Great Ball, Nurse Joy, Team Yell Grunt, Reverse Hollow, Suspicious Food 10, and a Holographic Cinescorch. Alright. Pack number 3. Just remember, guys, for first come, first serve it on the code. Don't forget, Kakuna, Trubbish, Anna, Inky, Weedle, Auto Energy, Axel, Great Ball, Nurse Joy, Upside Down, Inky, Reverse, and then Holographic. Alright. Pack number 4. Code and 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we got a Hannah, Rockruff, Potion, Great Ball, Carvana, Fighting Energy, Machoke, Kaboo, Reverse Hollow, and a holographic. Alright, that is half of the box so far. Can we get any more hits? And big glare of my TV. Figure out how to not get that big glare. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, we got a Rockruff, Vulpix, Potion, Full Health, Fire Energy, Great Ball, Rotem Phone, Reverse Hollow Nurse Joy, and a Dreadnought V. Not bad. Not bad at all. Alright, pack number 6. Code card. And 3, 4. Alright. Purloin. Show. Machop. Nickit. And taking multiple cards. Trubbish. Patent. Fighting Energy. Beedrill. Milo. Absol. Reverse Hollow. And a holographic. Alright. Here we go, guys. Pack number 7. Can we get any more good pull? Code card. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Saw Blue. Sizzlepede. Wheel. Zigzagoon. Rockruff. Fighting Energy, Leopard, Pierce, T-Meow Grunt, Reverse Hollow, and a holographic Professor's Research. Alright guys, last pack magic. Can we get anything? Anything good? Code card. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Got a Scraggy, Pokeball, Nickit, Lightning Energy, Rotem Bike, Hyper Potion, Viper, Reverse Hollow, Machamp, and another Well-Lord V. Alright, so out of this box, so we got a Well-Lord V, Dreadnought V, and another Well-Lord V. Oh, that will do it for today, guys. If you are new to this channel, hit that subscribe, hit that bell so you know what any video I upload. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.